Hi, my name is Dr. David Lee, physical therapist, and today we're going to be going over seated exercises and stretches to help you with your low back pain. All right, so this is your seated marching exercise. From here, you're going to grab your chair, come up about halfway up. From here, we want to make sure that the back is in the right position. So you don't want to be too far arched and you don't want to be too far rounded, okay? So you want to be right there in the middle. From here, you're going to make sure that your stomach is tight. Make sure that the leg that's on the ground, you're pushing hard against it, and then the other leg comes up. Keep it nice and tight. You should feel your abdominals engaging. Keep them tight as that leg comes down, because tendency is you're going to want to let the stomach loose. So keep the stomach tight, lift up, come down nice and slow with the stomach still engaged, and then come up, keep the stomach nice and tight, come down. Tighten up your stomach again, lift up, keep it tight as you come down. All right, this is the seated hamstring stretch. I like this stretch because it's very convenient. You can do it from any chair. So what you want to do is go ahead and bring one leg out, keep the other leg bent. From here, you want to make sure that you're nice and upright. So keep your chest up, keep that stomach tight, and then what you actually want to do is put just a little bit of arch in your back, okay? From here, what you're going to do is you're going to fold forward, keeping the stomach tight so you protect your back. And then what you're going to do is keep that chest up, and you can feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Just go forward till you feel the stretch in the hamstring and just hang out there. And then as you get looser through the hamstring, you can go ahead and fold forward a little bit more. Make sure that that chest is upright the whole time. The next exercise is your seated pelvic tilt. So you're going to have a chair. And then from here, we want to make sure that when we do this, we're taking away the arch in our back. So a lot of people sit in this position. So we want to make sure from here that we're going into the opposite position. So almost like rounding your back. As you come from this arched position, you want to make sure that you're tightening your stomach. Now don't over round like this. You want to make sure that you're keeping what we call neutral. So what I like to tell people is arch your back all the way and then fold it all the way. And I want you to stay right there in the middle, okay? So keep your stomach tight as you tilt into that position. This takes the stress off our low back and it takes the stress off of it throughout the whole day, okay? So you want to make sure that you're maintaining this position. So you can go ahead and arch, and then come back, arch, and then come back. All right, next is our Piriformis Stretch. You can do is have a seat. You're gonna go ahead and cross your leg over, sit up nice and tall, and from here, you're gonna go ahead and lean forward, okay? So if you can't get into this position, you can start up with a little bit higher, and then as you start to loosen up, you can go ahead and bring your leg down, but you wanna make sure that your back is nice and straight, because if you round this way, then you start to take the tension off of that muscle. So keep your chest up nice and tall, and then go ahead and lean forward as you feel the stretch. Just hold it there, and then go ahead and let the muscle relax. All right, so I hope all those stretches helped you guys loosen up that low back to help out with all your daily functions.